What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how affiliate marketing works step by step. Step by step, deep by deep. I'm sorry. Before I get into the content though, guys, if you're on this channel, that means you want to learn about affiliate marketing. You want to learn about how to make money online. You want to learn about passive income. And if I'm correct, you're in the right place. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe right now. There'll be a link in the description, or you just use a regular YouTube link, or you can use my logo. Should be in the right hand, your right hand, my left corner. So go ahead and subscribe now, okay? And at any time in this video, if I offer you value, go ahead and smash the like button and comment below. Positive comments only, please. So let's go ahead and get into the content. How to start affiliate marketing step by step. Okay. So first, just give you a quick overview of what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is where you don't have to create a product yourself. You don't have to come up with code, software, websites, tools, etc. You can come up with a website, but mostly affiliate marketing deals with someone else creating a product, and then there's an audience for that product. Okay. An affiliate marketer is the person who's in between that product and the audience. All right. And that's where you come in. You basically pick a product, usually the product that you have some knowledge about, that you are passionate about, right? And have connected with that audience, right? So you find that product and you say, hey, audience, there's this great product that solves your problem, or that solves X, Y, and Z that you should buy, right? And when that audience buys that product that someone else made, that person who made the product gives you a commission, the affiliate marketer, okay? So it's simple. It's a simple concept. It's a simple strategy, and it is a great way to make money online and a great way to start your business, okay? So before I go into some kind of step-by-step tutorials, there's a training. The first link in the description of this video, it says my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income online. That teaches affiliate marketing step by step, okay? And it puts different systems together so that you can make multiple streams of income. So check that out right now or after this video to kind of give some more in detail step by step instructions on how to create and start a business in affiliate marketing. All right. So first, we're going to, with affiliate marketing, the first step is to kind of pick. Here's my channel, by the way. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. My good looking self. Good. The first thing you want to do in affiliate marketing, go to the big screen, is you want to pick your passion. What are you passionate about? Are you passionate about sports? Are you passionate about fitness? Are you passionate about affiliate marketing, make money online space? Are you passionate about green products, keto, or woodworking, or what is it that makes you tick, right? In that an industry that you can get into. Once you find that out, then you can go to marketplaces that offers a bank of products that any affiliate marketer can go and choose and start promoting to a specific audience, right? One example of a marketplace is ClickBank. So a lot of people know about ClickBank. ClickBank is a tool where you can come here and pick any product. You can pick a lot of products. Like I'll show you, they have a lot of different categories that you can get into here in their marketplace. So you sign up for ClickBank. It's a pretty legit site. You go to marketplace after you sign up and get your login details. And you have all of these categories: art, entertainment, fiction, employment, jobs, education, games. And let's say we do health and fitness. Okay. We choose this category and look at all of these products. There are 1,280 products on ClickBank that are in the health and fitness category, niches, whatever you want to say, whatever floats your boat. There's a lot of products right here that you can start promoting today as an affiliate marketer. Okay. So you have your passion. Your passion is health and fitness. Okay. Now let's pick your product. That's the second step. So when you come on ClickBank, you can, sort by gravity. Gravity says this is how often this particular product is selling in the health and fitness niche or category, right? And then you come here. This is the sales page. You open a new tab and you just look and see what the product is all about. They probably have some videos here. This is what your audience will see when you give them your link, okay? And then you also have the affiliate page. Oops, sorry, went back instead of forward. Then you have the affiliate page here. This is the page that you as an affiliate have access to. So here are all the products they have. They have some email swipes for you for like this particular product here. So like I said, different products that you can use. And you're pretty sure you have to go into members login to get more affiliate tools. But here's some email swipes that you can take if you have an email list already, or you can send this to that email list. And it has your affiliate links already populated, etc. So we have our product, right? We have our passion, we have our product. Now we need to find our audience. But before we do that, I want to give you guys, just let you know, there's more marketplaces and more ways you can get products to promote other than ClickBank. All right. You have ClickBank, of course, which is one of the most popular ones. Then there's physical products from Amazon, Amazon Associates. So Amazon, you can come here, Amazon Associate, Amazon-program.amazon.com and join now for free. And you can start being an affiliate marketer for physical products that are sold on Amazon. Okay. So let's stick with that same health and fitness niche. You can come to Amazon and sell jump ropes, or sell fitness equipment, or sell fitness ebooks, or fitness, physical books. Anything in the fitness niche, you can sell that to a particular audience who might be searching for that product. Okay. And then you can also do JVZoo or Liongate. There's multiple ways out there, guys. And then you can also join a high ticket program that pays thousands and thousands of commissions. And then you only have to sell like 10 referrals in 1 month to make $10,000 plus. So this is a great program like Funnel X ROI that's done for you system. It sends out the email autoresponders for you already generated. It has multiple streams of income connected into one link. So when one person clicks that link, they're sent to different affiliate offers that solve their need, right? And they can come in and choose whatever they want to. So this is a great system, and this is the system that's in my description. So go ahead and check that out. Okay. So we have the passion, we have the product. Now let's go get some traffic. Okay. One way that you can get traffic, if you want to do paid, you can do paid Facebook ads. I'm not going to go over that in this video because that's a video by itself. But one way you can get free traffic, it's Instagram. Let's say you are passionate about fitness. Let's say you go to the gym every day, you eat right, you're lean, you're fit, you get that sexy body, whatever you want to say, right? And you can create your Instagram, and on your Instagram, post your results. Post your before and after. Post some motivational quotes on fitness, something that gets people out there and start living a life, healthy and fit life, right? Or posting meal plans, something to get your audience engaged, get your audience to follow you all about fitness and health. And what you do is, once you start your Instagram, in your bio, you put a little bit about yourself, health and fit, whatever you want your name to be. Something with your family man, affiliate marketer, young entrepreneur, and then follow to reach online success and freedom lifestyle. You can say follow to reach a healthy and fit life, and then check out my YouTube channel below. But you can say instead, check out my #1 product to get healthy and fit, right? And that's when you would go here. Let's say this product, after you click promote on ClickBank and generate hot links, you go here and say copy clipboard, and you'll paste this link in your bio, right? And it's free. All you do is post consistently good content, get people to follow you. And the more people follow you, the more that will come to your bio and say, oh, let me check out this healthy and fit profile or link that he's suggesting. And then if they like it, they'll buy it and you'll get a commission. Okay. So that's step-by-step affiliate marketing, guys. I hope I offered you some value. If I did, like I said in the beginning of this video, like this video and comment below if you're in affiliate marketing and some results that you have gotten, as well as don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because you don't want to miss my consistent content that I'm coming out with, teaching you how to get where you want to be. All right. Thanks for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.